Hello students, this is Priyanka Bagchi from SBM Sinedi. Today I am here with you with the third chapter of the supplementary book It So Happened of class 8, and the name of the chapter is The Selfish Giant by Oscar Wilde. Here the brief description about the author is given, and as you can see, this the writer Oscar Wilde, and the full name of the writer is Oscar Fingal O'Flaherty Wills Wilde. He was an Irish poet and playwright. Here is the brief description about the author. The objectives: to enable students to understand the different emotions like humanity, salvation, compassion, kindness, arrogance, loneliness, love, and pain through this story. To enable students to understand the message that happiness comes through true love and selflessness. To enable students to understand that true happiness comes when we make someone happy. And the last objective is to make students understand the symbolic language like spring, winter, fall as happiness, suffering, and isolation as sadness. Okay, so go through the chapter. The main characters: the selfish giant, the little boy, and so many children. Here the chapter itself. The vocabulary is given which you have to learn the word meaning. And now comes the chapter highlights. As you can see that I have divided the whole chapter into so many highlights, so many points. And today I will discuss few points of the story. Okay, so let's start discussion. It was a large, beautiful, lovely garden with soft green grass. Here and there over the grass stood beautiful flowers like stars. There were peach trees with pink and pearly looking blossoms. They were filled with fruits. There were birds sitting on the branches of the trees and sang so sweetly. It was mesmerizing everywhere. In the spring, plant brought flowers, and in winter, they were giving sweet fruits. There used to live a group of children in that city who, every day while coming back after school and while crossing that beautiful garden, used to enter the garden and play hours and made merry there. This place was their favorite place to stay for a while. The garden was spacious and beautiful, and so the children loved to stay there and play for hours. They were happy, they were very happy and excited in the garden. They felt happy there like never before. And so they said, "How happy we are here." The children used to come in that garden every day and played there as if it was their own without knowing about the actual owner of the garden. Actually, the garden belonged to a selfish giant. The selfish giant had gone to visit his friend, the Cornish ogre, and had stayed with him for 7 long years. After 7 years, he said goodbye to his friend and came back to his own castle. With the arrival of the selfish giant, the enjoyment of the children had ended. You see, here you can see how the children were playing in these pictures, you can see. But as the selfish giant came back, their happiness ended. The giant came back, and seeing the children playing in his garden, he became infuriated. He started shouting at the children. He screamed that it was his garden, and so he would not allow anyone to enter there and play. Next day, the giant built a high wall around his garden and put up a notice board which read, "Trespassers will be prosecuted." Means, if anyone tried to intrude his garden, would be punished and beheaded. With the decision of the giant, the children became very sad, as they could not play on the road, as there were dust and stones on the road, and they did not have any other place to play. The children were distressed. With the passing time, spring season came and flowers blossomed everywhere, and little beautiful birds were chirping all around. Everywhere outside the giant's garden, it was spring, but it did not arrive in giant's garden. It was only the persistent winter there. Trees and flowers were not blossoming, no birds were chirping, everything was covered up by the white snow and frost. The north wind too brought hail and frost with it. They stayed there for long and covered up the grass with white snow. The trees were covered by frost. The hailstorm brought chaos in the garden and destroyed everything. The hail fell on the roof of the castle and broke most of its spates. The hail was grey in color. That means everywhere it was the colorful spring, but in the giant's garden it was only grey, white, colorless winter. In these pictures also you can see this was the wall which the giant built up. This is the long wall and which the giant built up and did not allow the children to come inside. So this much for today, students. Till then, goodbye.